Welcome to our ilert tutorial. Today, we'll walk you through how to change the layout options for your ilert status pages. First, log into your ilert account. Navigate to the status pages or incident comms section in the navigation bar, depending on your subscription plan. Click on the status page you want to customize. Go to the Services tab. Here you can manage how services are displayed. You have two layout options. Single column option displays services in a vertical list. Responsive columns option arranges services in a grid of up to 3 columns, adapting to screen size. Let's check both. My status page has a single column layout. Here is what it looks like. Now let's change it. Don't forget to click Save. That's how responsive columns are displayed. As usual, thanks for watching our tutorials. Click the subscribe button to receive notifications about new videos on our channel.